Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel, The Guy with Gadgets. Get ready for a journey into the future as we introduce to you Apple Vision Pro, Apple's groundbreaking spatial computer. But before we dive into this incredible piece of technology, here's a tech-inspired joke for you. Why don't programmers like nature? Because it has too many bugs. The evolution of computing, Apple Vision Pro is more than just a device. It's a revolution. This spatial computer seamlessly merges the digital and physical worlds, creating an experience like no other. Vision OS. Apple Vision Pro introduces the world's first spatial operating system, Vision OS. It breaks free from traditional displays, offering a three-dimensional interface that opens up infinite possibilities. Infinite canvas. Say goodbye to screen limitations. Vision Pro lets you scale apps beyond the confines of a typical screen, giving you an infinite canvas for work and play. Extraordinary experiences. Apple Vision Pro is all about redefining how we interact with technology and each other. Entertainment unleashed. With ultra-high-resolution displays and spatial audio, you can transform any space into a personal movie theater or immerse yourself in stunning 3D experiences. Immersive gaming. Get ready for a new era of gaming with titles that span the spectrum of immersion. Plus, Apple Arcade games on a screen as large as you want? Yes, please. Memories reimagined. Capture and relive your favorite memories in 3 dimensions with spatial audio. It's like stepping back in time. Spatial FaceTime. FaceTime calls become more lifelike than ever, with everyone on the call reflected in life-size tiles and spatial audio, making it feel like you're all in the same room. The tech. Behind the magic. Let's talk tech, because Vision Pro is packed with innovation. Ultra-high-resolution display. Apple Vision Pro boasts 2 displays, each with a staggering 23 million pixels, offering clarity that's out of this world. Spatial audio. The advanced audio system makes sound feel like it's coming from your surroundings, matching the space you're in. Eye tracking. Vision Pro's eye tracking system is powered by high-speed cameras and LEDs, making your interactions intuitive and responsive. Privacy and security. Apple's commitment to privacy continues with features like Optic ID, ensuring your data stays in your control. The future awaits. Apple Vision Pro isn't just a device, it's a glimpse into the future. It starts at $3,499 and will be available early next year, giving you the chance to experience the future of computing. There you have it. The future of personal computing is here with Apple Vision Pro. Keep an eye out for this groundbreaking spatial computer as it's set to change the way we work, play, and connect. Stay tuned for more tech innovations, and until next time, embrace the future. If you like this informative video, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Bye.